You want to be a stop motion animator, but you don't know how to start. Well, I'm going to show you how you can start animating stop motion right away using objects and materials around you. I am Chusa Cedric. So, here are the steps to follow when creating stop motion animation. First of all, you have to know what you need. Setting a scene, what to animate, the software to use, animation, and render a final video.
Stop motion animation is a series of pictures that are played together in a sequence that creates the illusion of movement. To do so, one takes a picture of an object, moves it, moves the object again, and take a picture. That way, when you play those pictures really fast, it gives an impression that the object is alive and moving on its own. Step 1. What you need. First, a tabletop. Second, an object to animate. Third, a camera to take the pictures. While phone cameras are widely used, a DSLR camera is advisable. And fourth, a constant light source like a lamp. Step 2. Setting your scene. First of all, you need to know where you want to animate your object. Here, he used a table and broken wood, brick-like pieces to emulate houses. The project is to represent a location undergoing transformation according to a proposed master plan. Next, you set a camera on a tripod to hold it in place and point it towards your object. Please don't lift or move your camera in the middle of your shoot, as it will cause glitches. Next, place your light source where it lights best to your object. Step 3. What to animate. Before animating, one needs to decide what the object is going to do. For example, he is showing houses destroyed over time by landslides. He keeps disturbing the earth around the houses as they slide down onto the wetland. Software. If you have a phone, check for an app called Stop Motion Studio. If you are using a computer, Windows or iOS, check for Dragon Frame. Before animating, check your frame capture settings. Here, for example, he chose 12 frames per second, which means that he will need 12 pictures to make 1 second of animation. Most importantly, check that all your camera settings are set to manual, because if set to automatic settings, it will change from picture to picture. Step 5. Animation and render the final movie. The software you are using allows you to play back your moves to see if your current frame is right. Take note. If you want your object to pose for 1 second, for example, this means the moves you will capture are equal to 12 pictures in the same position before moving. After capturing 12 pictures, export your final shot using a software of your choice.